Here's my finished fall chop. All sorts of nice stuff in here for the birds. All I used was the blender and cutting board and knife. This is gonna last three and a half months. It is composed of rosemary, thyme, mint, basil, chives, asparagus, radishes. I didn't use the tops because I've read somewhere that they're barbed and budgies just don't, their crops don't like it. They get caught or something. And broccoli, cauliflower, red and yellow bell peppers, kale, spinach, turnip greens, chard, a bag of frozen peas, carrots, flaxseed, basmati brown rice, and quinoa, which I cook and make sure it's very chilled until then I add it. Then just give it a good mix. And I'll freeze all this in gallon-sized bags. And then I just take out 5-6 tablespoons in the morning to defrost, and that feeds my 8 birds for the day.